Today I will show how to buy shares of giant Biogene Holding Co Ltd. The company operates in biotechnology. It trades on the HKEX and the ticker is 2367, HK, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 2367 HK to find the listing. Make sure you select the exact match for Giant Biogene Holding Co Ltd. On the HKEX. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Check the market details and trading hours for the HKEX listing. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or rejected by the broker. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it accepts the transaction. After the order fills, the position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. For convenience, the link to the broker example is in the description below.